Assalamu alaikum, how are you all? Hope you're good and well. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to make Suji ka halwa. So here are the ingredients. I've got here 200 grams of fine semolina, 200 grams of butter, that's half a cup of sugar, some almonds, sultanas, and 3 crushed cardamoms, green cardamoms, and I'm going to use some boiling water. I'll show you how much I'm going to use, and some kera water, half a teaspoon of kera water. Let's start. Melt butter. When the butter's melted, just add the semolina in. Keep it on low flame. Just mix it. Just fry this for about 15 minutes on low heat until it changes color. And now I'm going to add the cardamoms in. Crushed cardamoms. Just mix, roast it in like that. Let it roast in the semolina for a bit. And this is nearly ready. So I've got boiling water here. I'm going to add that into the jug. So I'm using 800 mils of water, boiling water. Add the sugar into the jug and let it dissolve. Just use a spoon and mix it, and then I'm going to add this into the semolina. So I'm going to add that into the water, into the semolina. Add that into the semolina in the water, boiling water. So it's still on low heat. Mix that well. And then I'm going to add the kera water into the halwa. Just keep on mixing this so it doesn't go lumpy. Keep the flame low. I'm just going to use just a drop of kera water, not too much. Just mix that well, and then add the sultanas and the almonds in there. So I've chopped the almonds up and add them in. Just mix that on low heat. You can add the dried fruit at the end as well if you want. So just keep on mixing that and leave this for about 10 minutes on low flame and keep on mixing it. And the halwa is ready now, mashallah. Looks very nice. And the halwa is ready, so let's try some. Just gonna try a little bit. Still nice and warm. So let's try. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Yeah, mashallah, nice. The sugar is just right for me, but if you want to add more in, you can add a full cup of sugar in there, because I used half a cup and it's just right for me. But if you want to add more, if you want it more sugary, like sweetie, then just add more sugar in there. Otherwise it's nice, mashallah. Thank you for watching, guys, and please do subscribe to my channel and keep on watching my videos. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.